Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are creating a cake that's rich, chocolatey and wonderfully soft without using butter. If you love homemade dessert with simple ingredients and bakery style result, this chocolate ghee suji cake is for you. Let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add half cup curd, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, and 3 tablespoons ghee. Ghee has been used in traditional dessert for centuries. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Now take 1 cup suji and pulse it in a blender for a few seconds to create a slightly finer texture. Add it to the curd mixture. Semolina cakes are known for staying moist longer than many flour-based cakes. Pour in 1/4 cup milk and combine everything well. Allow the mixture to rest for 10 minutes so the suji can absorb the moisture. Now sieve together 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Cocoa powder provides deep chocolate flavor without needing melted chocolate. Add the dry mixture to the batter. Now gradually pour in half cup milk. Mix gently until you get a smooth flowing consistency. Add the milk gradually to control batter consistency. Avoid overmixing after adding the dry ingredients. Prepare a 6-inch mold by greasing it lightly and lining it with baking paper. Pour in the batter and level the surface. Now spread some dry fruits on top. Now place a pan with a wire stand and preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now place the mold inside, cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes. Pan-baked cakes became popular long before modern ovens were common. Ghee adds richness and flavor in a small quantity. Homemade cakes allow better control over ingredients. Your chocolate ghee suji cake is ready, soft, rich and filled with homemade goodness. Would you enjoy this cake with tea, coffee or a scoop of ice cream? Let me know in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more creative dessert, tea time treats and easy homemade baking recipes.